training on the imaging today, we'll be covering the use of an SLR camera in the dental office. Ultimately, it is an amazing tool to utilize in respect to getting full face pictures such as this. Great for cosmetic simulations and whitening simulations, and really the best image quality you can get through an SLR handheld camera. A lot of offices nowadays are making it part of the everyday protocol with new patient exams, where they will designate an area within the office for taking photographs. So they'll have some tape on the floor, one for the photographer, one for the patient, so they have the exact same distances each time they start taking the images. There is a sequence set up where you're taking a certain number of images in a sequence. That's something that the office has to decide on. There is normally an area where these images are going to be downloaded into the software and interfaced with the imaging software. And there is like a protocol that is going to be followed, I guess, with every new patient or every time they're going to be using the handheld SLR camera. Here you see that there is a special mount or scheme that we've designed based on our experience working with different companies and the amount of pictures that you're going to be taking. We have a full face smile. We have a smile with lips. Okay, then we move to smile in occlusion with retraction, slightly open incisal edge. So we want to see the relationship of the upper and lower arch with a slight gap. Then we would take buccal right, buccal left. We would utilize mirrors and then be able to take an upper arch, lower arch. And then if you wanted to get more lingual shots, you can also incorporate some images with an intraoral camera if you wanted to just get some aspects lingually. But again, it will all be based on what images you want to acquire on patients and what type of anatomy you want to document, and how do you now want to use these images in the future for cosmetic simulations and whitening. So that's why we've added boxes here, which will allow you to take somebody's full face, modify it, and save them. And then you know that the patient has been enrolled for some form of cosmetic treatment, and you can keep them there and staff can stay on top of those treatment recommendations. Also, same here for the full smile. You could also show the results of the cosmetic simulation, and this is how we've set up the mount. And again, please see the video on customizing your mounts or schemes, because you can alter this layout and add boxes or remove boxes based on your needs.